Energy is the fuel that powers our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to bed, our choices affect our energy levels and ultimately impact our lives. Nutrition, hydration, physical activity, and quality sleep are a few of the main contributors that affect your energy. Insight is here to help support you in your wellness journey.
I'm David Day with Quick Eats Meal Prep, and when I don't plan my meals, I end up getting too hungry and making bad food decisions throughout the day, like fast food or a bag of chips. Meal prepping helps me maintain a consistent energy level throughout the day, while also maintaining my health goals.
A balanced diet provides essential nutrients that sustain our energy. Consuming a variety of foods helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Meal prepping can make it easier to stick to a balanced diet.
Hey, my name is Jake. I'm the dietitian at Insight. Here today to talk to you about hydration, the importance of drinking water. I've got a couple of different reasons that hydration is important. Number one is blood flow. When your blood is flowing efficiently, it helps with headache prevention and it's healthier for the kidney. Number two is it can keep you full all day for 0 calories if you're looking for weight loss. And my last thing is no matter what exercise you're doing, it's beneficial to be hydrated because if you're running or doing a cardio type exercise, it helps with cramp prevention. And if you're lifting, it helps bring more blood to those muscles. It helps with the blood flow and you can efficiently lift heavier weight. Make sure that you drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water each day.
Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased cognitive function.
Hi, I'm Dr. Swain. I'm a chiropractor. I'm here today to talk to you about why movement is so important for your musculoskeletal health. What we know about patients in the literature is that those that move do much better than the patients that don't move. So if you're ever on the fence about whether or not you should move or engage in physical activity if you are hurting, I'm almost always going to suggest that you do so. And it doesn't need to be a lot of physical activity. Even short bouts of exercise is great to increase your energy and your alertness.
Physical activity doesn't mean you have to run a mile every day. It can be as simple as how you sit, stand, or squat. Regular exercise improves cardiovascular health, enhances circulation, and increases oxygen delivery to tissues.
This is Dr. Naveed Malik, Chief of Sleep Medicine for Insight Corporation. I wanted to reach out to you today as we talk about health and wellness, about the importance of sleep. Most of us are rushing to get through our busy lives, and sometimes sleep is what's left out. Try to push for 7 to 8 hours of sleep on a regular basis. Keep a regular bedtime and wake-up time. Sleep affects our metabolism, it affects our appetite, it affects our energy levels, and it affects our mood. All of these are extremely important for health and wellness and can make a big difference in your life. A small change can go a long way. Sleep well.
Adequate and restful sleep is crucial for replenishing energy levels. Poor sleep quality can lead to fatigue and decreased energy. Ensuring you get enough restful sleep can make a big difference in your daily energy levels. Small changes in your daily choices can significantly impact your energy levels. Start with one change today and feel the difference. Remember, Insight is here to support your wellness journey, providing alternative choices for a vibrant and energetic life. For more tips and personalized advice, reach out to our experts at Insight, where patient care is second to none.